Useful tips for a fun-filled camping adventure. There are 3 common types of camping: tent, RV and cabin rental. Each of these types of camping can be great fun. No matter the type of camping trip you plan to take, you need to prepare for just about anything. Read the guide below to learn how to make your camping trip as enjoyable as it can possibly be. If you are traveling with children, give them the opportunity to assist you when you get to the campground. They can carry gear, support you as you set up the tent and look for firewood. Not only will it keep them busy and out of trouble, it will be fun for them as well. Keep the needs of your family in mind before selecting a destination. For example, if you have a baby or toddler, it may be best to stick close to home in case things don't go as planned. If you have teenagers, however, you may enjoy traveling to a different state. Choose what is best for you. If your canteen is beginning to smell musty, you can give it a good cleaning with baking soda. Place a little bit of water in your canteen, and then add 3 tablespoons of baking soda. Shake gently, let it sit for 60 minutes, and then rinse with water. Your canteen will be refreshingly clean. Consider taking a CPR and first aid class. This is especially important if young children are traveling with you. In an emergency, your first aid training could be the difference between life and death. Also remember to research other dangers near your camping location. Know about any poisonous snakes and spiders in the area, and learn what animals live there. This guide can help a camper of any level find new ways to prepare for their camping trip. Use it as you plan your next excursion and you are sure to have the time of your life. Plan, prepare and enjoy your very next camping trip this coming camping season. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pin today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.